Okay, so this week I want to talk to you about staying organized. When you're organized, you're able to get more things accomplished. So, some of the tips that I can give to you is to write things down. I write everything down. I have a huge planner that I take all of my to-do list in, and I also use my cell phone in the notes section and calendar section to make sure that I'm getting everything handled. We all know someone that remembers birthdays and sends out all the cards. Well, this isn't magic. They do this by writing things down. Again, if you're into technology, you can use your notes section or the calendar section. And if you prefer to write them down, then of course you can use a planner. Make schedules and deadlines and stick to them. If you make schedules and deadlines and you don't follow them, then it's absolutely pointless to do. So really try to focus on making a list of things that you need to do, starting with the top priority, and then check that one off your list and then move down and see how that works for you. Don't procrastinate. That is probably my biggest thing that I do wrong, I guess. I'll find something that I really don't want to do and it's on my to-do list and I just want to not do it. So I procrastinate. And the thing that you need to realize is it's not going to go away and it's just going to cause you more stress. So put it on the top of your to-do list and get that thing checked off. Put things where they go. If you're in an organized space with less clutter, you'll be more productive. Everything has its place, so take the time to put it there and leave it there, and you'll be able to work more efficiently. And then keep only what you need. They say that if you have things that you've had for over a year and you've never used them, they're in boxes or just sitting around, you probably don't need them. You're not going to miss it if you get rid of it. So if you have a bunch of extra clothes or, 1,000 pencils instead of 10, get rid of those things and declutter. And then lastly, to help relieve some stress from you so that you can tackle your to-do list and stay organized, is delegate some duties. So if you have children around the house, put them to work as well. It's good learning for them. They will learn responsibility and take pride in their work. So have them take out the trash or do dishes or dust, vacuum, things that they can tackle. And then those are less things that you'll have to do. All right, stay organized.